Now available at McCarthy Cars is a 2013 Chevrolet Captiva 2.2 VCDI turbo diesel with a 184 horsepower. The car's got a privacy glass in the roof rails, and it is with a 18-inch Chevrolet alloy wheels. It's in white metallic pearl finish. Right at the back we've got the rear parking sensors. It is with a 2 exhaust pipes. It's got a rear view camera. It's a 7-seater, by the way. Got the luggage cover in here. I'm gonna put down the seat so you can see the space you get. It's got a split for the rear seats. And then it's got a keyless entry. I locked the car right now. Now it's locked. Basically you just press the button and it locks and unlocks. The interior of the car is contrasting full black leather finish. So the last 2 seats, the rear ones, it's got a 7 headrests. Isofix for child seat preparation, a center armrest with 2 cup holders, and front, side and rear airbags for your safety. On the door we've got the electric windows. It's got electric driver seat. Then here we've got the electric mirrors, and it's got folding mirrors also. There is no need of the key, just can check it in there. So the car has covered only 33,000 miles. It's got a multifunctional steering wheel with a cruise control on the right hand side. It's got Bluetooth on it. And then here we've got the center armrest with some storage under it. Got 2 cup holders. If I pull that, you're gonna see the USB slot in there. It's got front heated seats. It is a 6-speed manual. It's got economic mode on it. Then here we've got the air conditioning with the climate control. So this is the radio MP3 player. If I go to the Bluetooth, as we can see, it's got a audio Bluetooth, which means you can stream music directly from your phone without using any cables. Here we've got the traction control. It's got a satellite navigation. And then if I reverse back, you're gonna see the rear view camera. So here we've got the folding mirrors, got the headlamp washers, which I'm going to show you in a minute. So this is the front view of the car. It's got a front parking sensors, headlamp washers and a front fog. So this was a quick review of the Chevrolet Captiva. For any further information, please give us a call.